Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. John Lloyd Ispidal Cruz is a Filipino actor. Regarded as the king of contemporary cinema by the media, Cruz has top-billed several box office successes. He has more than 10 films with box office grosses of 100 million pesos in the Philippines. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. John Lloyd Ispidal Cruz is the youngest child of Luisito Lora and Aida Ispidal Cruz. He was called by the nicknames Joward and Idan among his family and some close friends. Cruz finished his grade school at Marikina Catholic School in 1996. He has 4 godchildren, Keith Martin R. Cruz, Rainer Cruz, and 2 others who lived in Toroteo Street, Santolan, Pasig City. He was later discovered by a talent scout in a mall while hanging out with friends to watch Magic Temple. Due to his father's failing marble business, Cruz decided to enter show business to help his family recover from financial problems. He first appeared in GMA Public Affairs reenactment legal talk show, Compañero y Compañera, followed by the crime and investigative series Calvento Files. This was followed by several guest appearances and shows. At age 14, Cruz became a member of ABS-CBN's Star Magic, where he became an alumnus of Batch 5. He was also a member of the then-teen trio called Kulits with Baron Geisler and Mark Soles. CNN described Cruz as the quintessential image of the contemporary leading man. Nagsimula siyang umarte sa edad na 15 at may higit sa 30 mga produkto sa kanyang kredito. Isang breakthrough rule sa soap opera na kay tagal kang hinintay, kung saan siya unang nagsimulang magtrabaho kasama ang aktres at madalas na co-star na si Bea Alonzo. Ang sumunod sa kanyang bida sa kilalang Filipino TV dramas na Tabing Ilog, kung saan siya lumabas noong teenager. Sa humigit kumulang 80 na mga parangal na napanalunan sa kabuuan ng kanyang karera kabilang ang 2 FAMAS Awards at 2 Gawad Urian Awards, si Cruz ay isa sa mga pinakaginawad na Pilipinong aktor sa negosyo. Siya ang kauna-unahang Pilipino at Southeast Asian na aktor na nakatanggap ng Star Asia Award sa New York Asian Film Festival. Siya ang ikalimang may pinakamataas na kita na Filipino actor noong dekada ng 2010 na nakakuha ng kabuuang 2.3 bilyon sa mga resibo sa takilya. Ang A Second Chance ay ika-6 na pinakamataas na kita ng pelikula ng Pilipinas sa kasaysayan na may 556 milyong pesos. Kasalukuyan siyang pinamamahalaan ng Crown Artist Management ni Maha Salvador at GMA Network. Noong November 9, 2021, pumirma siya ng kontrata sa GMA Network bilang bahagi ng kanyang pagbabalik sa TV. Ang kanyang unang comeback appearance ay sa Wowowin ng GMA at kasalukuyang pinamumunuan niya ang role ng GMA sitcom na pinamagatang Happy Together na napapanood tuwing Linggo ng gabi. He is considered one of the most acclaimed actors in the country and was recently inducted to the Philippine Walk of Fame by Herman Kuya Germs Moreno in Eastwood City, Libis, Quezon City. His film and television projects are usually big hits with audiences nationwide. Ellen Adarna, who married Derek Ramsey on November 11, 2021, has a son, Elias Modesto, with Cruz. In December, Elias performed a piano recital under teacher Ryan Aviso. The co-parenting couples officially published their son's June 8, 2024 graduation yearbook. On October 23, 2023, Cruz confirmed visual artist Isabel Santos as his girlfriend after romance rumors in 2021. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Tony Robbins, setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Mr. Romeo Longalong. Maraming salamat po. And also shout out and thanks to the comment of Andres Perez.